Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series triple gauge package for the 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty Powerstroke. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 1500-degree exhaust temperature gauge, and a transmission temperature gauge, all featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open up the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, 2 foot of power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm 1500-degree exhaust temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty Powerstroke installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a map line T-fitting for your boost gauge, a 3-foot exhaust temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a 2-foot power harness for your exhaust temperature gauge, a 2-foot power and sensor harness for your transmission temperature gauge, mounting brackets and hardware, pillar mounting hardware, a color matched triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.